This is the brief on practical AI mastery using structured prompts. Okay, so you've probably heard it, right? AI won't replace you, but yeah, someone who really knows how to use it probably will. This whole thing is basically about stopping us from wasting time just typing random things into tools like ChatGPT, kind of hoping for some AI magic. Instead, you get 100 proven, copy-paste prompts. They're designed to actually give you real results from day one, turning these chat tools into predictable workhorses. So how does it deliver that? First, it breaks things down into the 7 pillars of usefulness. It's got these 100 prompts all neatly organized into 7 key areas: productivity, creativity, business, learning, finance, lifestyle, and even some specific stuff for pro users who want to dig deeper. Second, it's really focused on practical methodology. See, it's more than just a list of questions. You get 100 proven prompts, complete with real examples and professional tips. And crucially, it actually shows you step-by-step methods for building better prompts yourself, tailored specifically for whatever you need. And finally, that naturally leads to immediate, tangible results. We're talking actual time saving here. Real tools to help you plan your week quicker, write way faster, find better ideas, and just automate the boring stuff, making AI genuinely useful. So stop hoping for AI magic. Start using tested methods to turn these conversational tools into genuine work accelerators.